Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Galitoon mold stain remover. So this is for like front load washers, caulking around your bathtub, things like that. All right, so actually going to be using this on the washing machine here. Going to mix it with other cleaning, remove any residual water from all the towel, then apply evenly on the surface. Wait 3 to 8 hours and wipe with a towel or rinse with water. Some mold can stain really bad, and it's just not pleasant, and it can be kind of not good for you. So this is like a thick gel. Comes a little scrubber here as well. So basically, we're just going to put this on our mold situation, let it sit for a few hours, and come back and clean it up and see how well it works here. So hopefully, it does all right. All right, first I want to try this in my shower. I do have a little bit of mold here. I got to redo my caulking here, just pull that off. But anyways, we do have a little bit, so I'm going to see if this handles it. I'm just going to apply this on here. So wow, it's a pretty thick gel there. So basically just says put it on there and let it sit for a while. So here we go. So everywhere I got that stuff, I'm just going to apply some of this on there. It's a thick gel for sure. Yeah, die, little mildew, die. Okay friends, here I am at my washer, and under the little edges here you can see it's got some mildew stuff in there, and that's not cool. And then under here, these are notorious for having some gunk in there. So I'm going to clean it, dry it out as much as possible, and apply this stuff and see how well it works after a while. That's not good. Okay, here we are in the shower, and as you guys can see, this is not doctored, this isn't altered or anything. I just came with a little brush, and the gel is still there, and wherever I put this is pretty much it's just gone. Works as advertised. I'd say it's probably about 5 hours later, but look at that. That is crazy good. Let's go check out the washer. Well, here we are in the washer. And look at that. Wherever this gel touches, basically, the mildew is pretty much gone. I mean, I haven't scrubbed this yet or anything, but wherever I put it on there, let's look in here. Yeah, wherever the gel is, the mold is pretty much gone. So, very impressed with this stuff. I'm gonna like scrub now with it a little bit to kind of spread it around more. I guess I should have done that a little more to begin with instead of just kind of letting the gel sit there. But this thing works great, guys. If you can see it and you can put the gel on it, it's taking it out. Very impressed with this stuff. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.